Hey everybody, it's 11:10 and 47 seconds on November 27th. This is mini number 2 for Tomb of Dracula 10. Before we get started, I ask if you're going to claim spots. Once I confirm you have a spot, please send payment immediately so we don't have like a massive rain delay. I want to get this thing closed as quick as possible for everybody. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. Will Nelson, I trust you will pay. I'm vouching for you on this one. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 10. I'm going to randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list will get the first 4 open spots in the main. The next person will get the next 2 open spots in the main. Okay, they will be filled in order. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final roll. 10. Brody Stokely gets the first 4. Javier Martinez gets the next 2. Time is 11 and 12.